Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Chrome Music Lab in Chrome. This ensures web audio works correctly. Once the page loads, choose Songmaker. It gives both melody and rhythm control. Set tempo to match blinding lights, typically around 170 BPM, and pick a minor pop scale so the harmony sits right. Then change the grid to 16 or 32 steps so you can place repeating arpeggios. This first setup matters because it defines timing and feel for every subsequent sound you add. Now you craft the core synth pattern that makes blinding lights recognizable. Select a bright saw-like synth and tweak attack and decay so notes are punchy but not clicky. This creates that 80s sheen. Program a 4-note arpeggio across an 8-step phrase, then duplicate it to loop. Once done, add a bass line an octave lower on strong beats to anchor rhythm. Finally, layer a soft pad on off beats to fill space. This contrast gives sparkle versus weight and keeps the mix clear. Finish by balancing levels and adding final effects so your track breathes. Reduce synth volume slightly, pan layers a little left and right, and apply subtle reverb for depth. Make sure the kick and bass sit forward so rhythm remains tight. When satisfied, export the audio or record output. Save tempo and grid settings for easy edits later. If playback stutters or audio glitches, lower synth polyphony, disable heavy effects, and close other Chrome tabs. This clears CPU spikes and restores smooth playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.